Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we'll look into the chapter called rational numbers. The given question is find 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So let us see how we can solve this. The question is asking us here to find 5 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between the 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So this is what the question has given us, 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5, and we need to find 5 rational numbers in between them. Now guys, our first step, the very first step that we are going to follow is let us make the denominator, let us make their denominators same. Let us make their denominators same. So how we will do that? In order to make the denominator same, we need to find out their LCM. So here the LCM of the denominators are, like the LCM of denominator here is, LCM is equal to 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. Now after getting the LCM, let us make the denominators same. How we will do that? We can do that by multiplying. Here it is 2 upon 3. So we require 15 here. That means I need to multiply 5 in the denominator. If I am going to multiply 5 in the denominator, I should also multiply 5 in the numerator. So that the overall effect remains the same. Similar thing is I am going also to do with 4 upon 5. Here the denominator is 5. Here in the denominator we have 5. That means we need to multiply 3 in the denominator. If we are multiplying 3 in the denominator, we need to also multiply 3 in the numerator. So after solving this, we will get 10 upon 15, 10 upon 15, and so we will get 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Guys, so what is that we got? We got 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. So in between 10 and 12, there is 11. So we got 11 upon 15. This is what we got. We got only one rational number between these two. But the question has asked us to find out 5 rational numbers. So how to do that? The question has asked us to find out 5 rational numbers. So how to do that? Now, as a second step, we are going to follow is, let us increase the denominator value. Let us increase the denominator. Let us increase the denominator value. So here the denominator that we have is 10 upon 15. Now let us multiply by 2 and increase it by 2. Increase it by multiples of 2. So let us multiply 2 in the numerator as well as 2 in the denominator. And similarly, we are also going to do the same thing with the other number, that is 12 upon 15 into 2 upon 2, or that is equal to, we will get 20 upon 30, and here 24 upon 30. This is what we got. Now guys, let us see how many rational numbers we are having in between 20 upon 30 and 24 upon 30. So in between 20 upon 30 and 24 upon 30, how many rational numbers we have? So if you look here, we have 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, and then we have 23 upon 30. So these are the 3 rational numbers we are getting in between 20 upon 30 and 24 upon 30, or in other words I can say these are the 3 rational numbers that we are getting in between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. But question asked us to find out 5 rational numbers. So now how to do that? We got 3 rational numbers now. Now in order to get some more rational numbers, let us again increase the denominator value. Let us again increase the denominator value. Let us again increase the denominator value. So again we are going to multiply 2 to the number that we got in the above step. So the number that we got in the above step is is 20 upon 30. So let us multiply 2 upon 2. And similarly, the number that we got in the above step was like 24 upon 30. Let us multiply 2 upon 2. Now, after multiplying, you will see that what we got 40 upon 60, and we got 40 upon 60, and we got 48 upon 48 upon 60. Now let us see how many rational numbers we have in between them. So let us see how many rational numbers we have in between them. 40 upon 60 means we have 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 43 upon 60, 44 upon 60, 45 upon 60, 46 upon 60, and then we have 47 upon 60, and here we have 48 upon 60. Now you could see that in between 40 upon 60 and in between 40 upon 60 and 48 upon 60, we are getting all these rational numbers. All these rational numbers we are getting. And how many rational numbers we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rational numbers we are getting. So our requirement was 5, but we got 7. So this is what we can say, that we can say, or we can answer our question saying that, the 5 rational numbers, that we can answer our question saying that the 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are 41, 42, 43, 44. That one's 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 43 upon 60, 44 upon 60, and 45 upon 60. So we can say that the 5 rational numbers, the 5 rational numbers between the 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are the 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are what we got? We got 41 upon 60, or 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 43 upon 60, 44 upon 60, and then we got 45 upon 60. Now guys, these are the 5 rational numbers that we got. This if we mention them here, the answer is not going to be wrong, but still let us see if we can solve them further. 41 upon 60 we can write as it is. Now 42 upon 60 can be written as 4, can be written as, how can we write? 220, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 2 30s are 60. So this is what we can write. Or I can also write 7 3s are, also we can write 3 7s are 21, 3 10s are 30. So this can be written as, in other words, we can write this one as 6 7s are 42. So 7 upon 10, 6 10s are 60. And then 43 upon 60, let us keep it as it is. Then 44 upon 60. 44 upon 60 is 4 11s are 44. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 60. Then 45, 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So these are the 5 rational numbers we got. Either you can say this one, or even we can say this one. So this is our answer. What we got? We got 5 9s are 45, 5 12 are 60. So we got 41 upon 60, 7 upon 10, 43 upon 60, 11 upon 15, and 9 upon 12. Now guys, let us represent these rational numbers on a number line. Though the question has not asked us to represent these numbers on a number line, but still let us represent this on the number line, and let us see how it looks. So let us represent these rational numbers on a number line, and let us see how this looks. Now guys, if you look here to the number line, I have the number line that I have posted here. What we have, so we got the rational numbers that we got in the above step are 41 upon 60, 41 upon 60, 41 upon 60. But before we move, let us focus here. You could see that we need to find out the rational numbers between 4 upon 60 and 48 upon 60. So we need to find out rational numbers between 40 upon 60 and 48 upon 60. Now, if you look here, 40 upon 60 is here. If you look here, 40 upon 60 is here and 48 upon 60 is here. And if you solve these things, you will get 2 2s the 4, 2 3s the 6. That means if you solve here, you will get 2 upon 3. And if you solve this one, you will get 4 upon 5. How you will get? If you solve this, you will still get 4 upon 5 because 12 4s are 48, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. Similarly, if you solve this, 40 upon 60 is nothing but 4 upon 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. This is what being given in the question, and we said that the rational numbers that we considered are, these are the 5 rational numbers that we considered. From here, from 41 till 45, these are the 5 rational numbers that we considered. Hope guys you understood this. These questions are very simple and very straightforward, but we need to understand this, how we are going to find out. Once we get the concept, then definitely we can move ahead and we can find it out. And guys, you could see that on this number line, I have also represented 0. I have also represented 0, which is 0 upon 60, which is 0 upon 60. Though it is not given, I have represented it here, and 1 also. Though it is not given, I have also represented 1, and I have considered 60 upon 60 because our denominator is 60 upon 60. So that the examiner can understand, okay, these rational numbers lie between 0 and 1. So this is what the examiner can understand, and he or she can think that the concepts are very clear to all of us. Guys, this is what the answer is, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.